Ahead of the September 6 judgment to be delivered by the Presidential Election Petition Court, most broadcast stations are seen within the court premises setting up their equipment ahead of the tribunal judgment day. This is in compliance with a statement issued by the Registrar of the Court of Appeal, Umar Bangari, confirming that the judgment for the petition court to decide Tinubu, Atiku and Obi's fate be televised or streamed live. According to the court, the arrangement aims to promote transparency and openness in the entire process.
Maga, I don't know.